Hi everyone, thank you for watching. So in today's video we're opening up 3 different beauty boxes. Only 2 of them are subscriptions, so if you guys are familiar you probably know. So I have Trendmood, which is not a subscription box, and this is the Trendmood and Nabla takeover. And then I have the Walmart beauty box, which is seasonal, and the Naked Beauty box, which is monthly subscription. So I'm super excited. I'll be sure to leave timestamps down below so you can skip around if you so wish. But before we get started, I just want to take a moment to say hi and welcome if you are new here. My name is Kitty. I love subscription boxes, especially beauty boxes, and I open them pretty much every single day on our channel. Like, you know, I'll miss a day here and there, but yeah, we open a lot of boxes here. So if you like that sort of thing, I would absolutely love it if you subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And how about we start off with the Trendmood box? So I did use some of the makeup today that came in here and tools. I don't know how I'm looking right now. It's kind of dark in here. I have lights all around me, but it looks, I don't know if you can tell, but I matched this cool tone look with some like pink lipstick. Hopefully it looks okay. But yeah, so Trendmood came together with Nabla and they put together this box. I just looked, it was $44. I tried to look up the pricing, like, well, I didn't really look too hard. I just looked on Trendmood's post. Usually they have the pricing of all the items, but I have a feeling maybe some of the items in this box aren't yet available. So if you guys are unfamiliar with Trendmood, the woman that runs it has an Instagram page where she talks about all the new releases. So a lot of things that you get in the Trendmood boxes haven't even been released yet or just were released. So this box is not available. They always sell out super fast, but I'm gonna link their website down below where you can sign up for email alerts for when the next box is. They've been coming out with a lot of them. This is the only one that really caught my attention in a while because I've been wanting to try Nabla Cosmetics. I haven't ever until today. I'm not sure what the next one is. If someone does, will you leave a comment down below because I'm curious. But usually if you're into what it is, like what's coming in the box, it is a great deal. You just have to be on top of it. And yeah, this purple box kind of matches her page, or it does match her page. So it was wrapped up really well and had like pretty gold tissue paper, but even the inside of the box, like without all of that, is pretty. It says Nabla. And I think Nabla is an Italian brand, beauty brand, but we got 4 things in here and I used 2 out of the 4. So I use their eyeshadow palette. So this is a brand new eyeshadow palette, and from them, I think all these products are, for sure this one is. Isn't it really pretty? The packaging even, it's the side-by-side nude palette, and there is a large, nice mirror, which is awesome. And then here are the shades. You guys, I swatched the shade that caught my eye first, and I seriously like squealed earlier. And it's on my eyes now. It's this like cool tone shimmer. Like they have like different formulas in here, like the matte, I think it's a metallic, and then they have shimmers as well. I only used a few of the shades, but I really like it. And I always go for shimmers first, like when I have to swatch something. And I just loved everything. The mattes worked really well. Some of them, the mattes like look darker on my skin than this, like I would think, like when I swatch them, than in the pan. So there's like a mix of some warm, neutral, and cool tones, and I think this is great. And for a neutral palette, you can get a lot of different looks. So I obviously went with the lower row here. So let me just swatch that quick. I'm kind of far from the camera, but it is so pretty. It's like a duochrome almost. Because when I swatch it, this one looks a little different too, but this is the shade I was like, oh my god, it feels so buttery and nice, and it is just my favorite type of shade ever. And then I use like this gray looking matte and this darker gray in the outer corner, so it's very cool toned, and I love it. I'm so happy with this, like so many of them. I would swatch all of them. Do I have makeup wipes around? I don't know. For sake of time, I'm not going to swatch all of them. If you guys want to see swatches, let me know and I'll post it on my Instagram, but I am so happy with about this. And I use their brushes that came in their Ruby eye brush set. I'll show you in just a second. Let me just clean my hands off. Does anyone else just rub stuff on their legs or pants? Well, I don't have pants, I have shorts on. I do have something on though. Do you ever wonder if like the YouTubers you're watching are just wearing like pants? I usually have something on, but it's usually pajamas. But anyways, we got a brush set. There's 8 brushes in this case. Isn't this so cute? And I use them and they're great. And their brushes are so cute too. They totally matches like the Ruby name. So the gold here and then red. And I really like these. Some of the brushes are kind of unique, like this smaller one here. I use this under my eyes and for my inner corner highlight. And they do have like numbers, but yeah, they're all for your eyes and they've been great. So there's a few different size blending brushes, packing brushes with different densities, and I've been really liking these. I've only used like 3 or 4 of them, but I think they are great and they're so cute too, and I love getting new brushes. So now I'm gonna put these in my beauty room and move the others to get finally cleaned because it's been a while. But yeah, these are great. And then there's 2 things I didn't use. One's a mascara because you guys know I have a favorite. If you don't, it's Thrive Cosmetics mascara. I should be able to say that by now because I tell you guys like all the time. And I have that open and several others, so I didn't want to open this, and I'm thinking maybe I'll put it in a giveaway. I haven't decided yet. But this is the Nabla Major Pleasure Volume Extension Mascara, and I'm assuming it's in black. Archer, what's wrong? You gotta make an appearance? One of you guys made a great point. You're like, said that when you talk to someone, like your cats think they're talking to you, like, cause we live alone, like she does too. So I'm like, what if when I'm filming, my cats just think I'm talking to them, and that's why he causes such a ruckus? Cause like I'm in this open area. Normally I film in my beauty room where it's not probably as loud downstairs. But I think that maybe that's it. He's just talking back to me. He's like, come down and play. Oh, this is cute. It says Nabla on the top. But again, I'm not gonna open it because I don't want to like start the shelf lifetime or whatever, you know. Mascaras you have to replace pretty quickly. And then the next one I'm also not sure what I'm going to do with. It's a glitter palette. I want to ask you guys, again, I don't know if this is released yet, so but maybe you guys got the Trendmood box. If you guys use this, how was it? But it's a Nabla Ruby Lights glitter palette, and there's 4 glitters in here. And I know there's like safety warnings with eye glitters, and I was like thinking about that, but I'm like, wait, when I got Tati's palette, I used some of the glitters, I didn't have any issues. But do I reach for them ever? No, but these look really pretty, don't they? Archer, come here. Come here. Want to say hi? Oh my god, this video is going to be a million years long. Someone's annoyed at me right now. Oh, actually, I think I blocked that lady who said I'm annoying. But aren't these pretty? I don't know. So yeah, what is your thoughts, like, in general? Not even just this one, like with glitters, pressed glitters. Do you guys use them? Because, like, you know, they're not considered safe. I would love to know. But yeah, that was everything in the box. I think it was worth my $44 because, again, I don't know the exact pricing. I'll try and look it up, like, on Nabla's website when I'm editing this video. And let you guys know, but I think for sure those 8 eye brushes and the palette are over $44, even if I give the other 2 away. And I don't feel like I'm losing money when I give something to you guys, like through giveaways or whatever. So yeah, I thought this was a great Trendmood box. Like I said, I haven't gotten one in a while, and this one caught my eye and I couldn't resist, and I am so happy I got it. Did you guys get it? Or what was the last Trendmood box you got if you did get one? Lipstick on my teeth, hopefully you guys couldn't tell. But now let's open the Walmart beauty box. So this is only $5. Well, they say it's like free and you just pay $5 for shipping, so whatever, it's $5. And it's seasonal. This should be the fall box. So they're actually like giving the boxes in the right season. I know it's like getting to be like winter time, I don't know. It's crazy, middle of November. But yeah, before they're like really behind, but they have 2 different boxes, I think. The Trendsetter and the Classic or something like that. I don't even know what I get. I think it's Trendsetter. But it is so worth the $5, you guys. So you pay $20 total a year. Like, it's, if you want a beauty box that's cheap, it's the cheapest you can find, and usually it's worth it. And I see one thing in here that I know is $5 and I'll probably really like. But when you open it up, there's just some stuff in here. And I know sometimes the things vary. So if you guys got this, what came in your box? So there is a card. Sometimes it's just, yeah, they don't have this much detail. This is the first time they gave something like an insert with product information. It says, explore our latest collection of must-try beauty inspired by the season of transitions. And I think it lists more things that are in here, so actually I'll know, but I would love to hear what you got still. And it looks like there's actually some color variation. So the thing that caught my eye right away that I'm pretty sure, oh, it says it's $4.97. Wow, Walmart, they're even listing pricing in here, and it's, yeah, so this is like the price of the box, and this is by NYX, and it's one of their butter glosses, and I really like these. I thought they were like $5.94, but like whatever, it doesn't matter. And this is an apple crisp. You guys, I just like had to put on some of my press-ons again. I use my fingers to open stuff all the time. I can't figure out how to get them to stay on. Maybe I can like twist it and get open. I don't know, but it looks like a pretty red. Usually the outer packaging matches it. I don't want to ruin the nails I just put on. And then we have some dry shampoo, which I'm always happy to get. My hair looks kind of crazy, doesn't it? And this is by Batiste, and it is their original. And the full size, which isn't this is 1.6 fluid ounces. The full size is 6.7 ounces and is $6.48. It looks like we have a mask here. Yeah, this is by Found. It's the Clarifying Red Clay Sheet Mask. Purifies and refines pores for clearer looking skin. And this is $1.98. Oh, we have a little perfume by Anecdote, Weekend Vibe. It's a little 10 milliliter roll-on, not little. I think this is a big size. I mean, obviously it's not full size, but that's nice. I was just talking about this in my Ipsy video. I think roll-ons are considered kind of full size. They're not a sample. So this is what it looks like. And I think these are a great size to keep in your purse. It smells pretty good. Does it say what it smells like? I love when they do that because I don't know how to describe it to you. I'm just like, good, bad. Well, I don't know. Most things don't smell that bad to me, but I'm also not super picky. But I would tell you guys if it did. It's not like the most amazing thing, but it's good. Bright notes of pineapple water and pink passion fruit balance warm, woody hints of sandalwood and whipped musk for a refreshing citrus scent that's perfect for fall nights. That's it, exactly. And then the last thing is by Curel, and it is their Dry Skin Therapy Hydra Silk Moisturizer, and this is a new product, it says. It immediately absorbs, delivers long-lasting, non-greasy moisture, and the full size is, wait, where is it? I don't see it on here. I guess I got something different. So there's other things listed on here that you could have gotten in another shade of the NYX Butter Gloss, so yeah, let me know what you guys got. Did you get Curel? Maybe is that just like a little bonus or something? I've gotten Curel products before, but it was a different one. It was like the in shower moisturizer. But yeah, that's it for the Walmart beauty box. I think I definitely got my $5 worth. I can't wait to get this open and break a nail, but it's okay, and try this butter gloss because I like them a lot. I have a few, I think I have 2 shades. No, I have like 3. I've gotten 2 in the last Walmart beauty box, or maybe 2 boxes ago. That was great. But now let's open our last box in the video, the Naked Beauty box. So this is pretty much all skincare, or it is all skincare, and it is cruelty free. And how much? I just had my computer open. I think it's $34.95, but let me double check. All right, so it's $35.99 with free shipping, and they did provide me with the code to save 20% off your first box. It's Kitty20. I'll leave that on the screen and down below. It's not affiliated, just to help you guys out. But it says on here, it's the box your skin will love, and I think their box is so cute. Whipping things around in there. Hopefully it's okay. This is what it looks like when I open it up. So there's the card. Everything's wrapped up. Something smells really good. I love this like mint green. So let's do these masks first. Oh, I've tried this brand before, but not this product. This is by Midflower, and it is their Bincotin Charcoal Clarifying Black Mask, and there are 2 here. The one mask I have by them, I got a few of them, you wear for an hour. This one's 30 minutes. And food grade, but that word I can't pronounce well, or I'm probably like saying it so wrong, is a charcoal powder infused with the fiber of our Midflower something. It will remove toxins, dirt, and excess oil that build up intensely in your pores. I could use this. I'm like breaking out. It's almost that time of the month. It's always right around here. So it's $6 per mask, so the value is $12. And then we have something here in a bag. It comes with a little scoopy thing, which I appreciate for like the one day I'll have nails on, because you know they're gonna come off. And this is by Plant-Based Beauty Avocado and Algae Face Mask, and this is a skin superfood detox. So another mask. This is $22, and it is supposed to clean your skin, nourish it, and give it the vitamins it needs, and brighten complexion, soften and hydrate. I'm just trying to give an abbreviated version, so that's cool. So you mix it with water, it looks like it's a powder. So these are great because they last longer. And then we have something by Richard, I can't pronounce anything today. I'll just show it to you, but Richard's Organics Pomegranate Enzyme Facial Peel. Ooh, I like the sound of this. This is $32. Did I tell you the mask is $22? I think I did, but, well, let me hold it close so you can look at the name. So this uses pomegranate ferment enzymes to eat away at the glue that binds old dying skin cells. You're supposed to use it every 7 to 10 days. Oh, so this will last a really long time then, because this is a normal size serum or, you know, skincare product. It looks like it's an ounce. Yeah, it is an ounce. We have 2 more things. Next up, it's a little lip balm. Cute packaging by the Speak Collective Cocoa and Calendula lip balm. Look how cute this is. I need to move the camera closer next time. So is it? Yeah, so it's just in there, and this is great because it's like made out of cardboard, so you can recycle it. So yeah, this box is all about being good to the planet too, which I appreciate. So cruelty-free, vegan, eco-conscious, yes, yes, yes. And this must be what smells so good. There's like just a few drops, probably when I was shaking it, like not much at all. This is by Nourishing Co, and it's a blemish spot treatment. Oh, it's not, I was like thinking it was like perfume or something. It smells good though, for real. Like it has tea tree in it, I'm guessing, but that's not what I'm smelling. So it says at night apply as a leave-on treatment. So and it's made with, okay, it's coconut oil is the base, organic tea tree oils in here, Litsea, geranium, lavender, frankincense, and eucalyptus. So it's a blend of essential oils and a coconut carrier. So interesting. It smells good. And that is $22. So yeah, you get a lot. And the lip balm's $8. I don't think I told you guys that. I don't know if I'm ever on my game, but when I film at night, I'm not. Here is a mess. So yeah, they say you get at least $150 worth of stuff. Since the price is there, why don't I just add it up for us? If I can. My phone here? Oh, it's only 9:30. This is not late for me. I only got a value of $96. Let me see that again. Maybe I wrote that down wrong, but I like write down notes in my computer that I just like reuse for like my description box. And it says get 5 full-size items up to $150. I guess I misread that, but let me do it again. I mean, you still get your money's worth, like, and more. I mean, this, but yeah, $96. So again, this is $35.99, and if it's your first box, you can get 20% off with code KITTY20. But that's it, you guys. So let me know your thoughts. What was your favorite? I mean, I'm biased because I like love makeup and stuff, and I was so happy with the Trendmood box. I think that palette and the brushes too are great, but the palette's my favorite thing I opened today. And out of the box we just opened, probably that like clarifying mask, because I could use that tonight. I just used a mask like last night, but who cares? And this, I'm gonna look into this too, using this pomegranate enzyme facial peel over 7 to 10 days. Like, that's something I could do, because sometimes I forget. Like, I try and use this other enzyme thing by, I don't know, I won't keep blabbering, but yeah, that's what I'm the most excited about. And for sure in the Walmart beauty box, the dry shampoo and the NYX butter gloss. So yeah, that is it today, guys. Let me know what your favorite was. Do you get any of these boxes? Do you want them? How's your night going or day? But yeah, thanks again for being here, and a special thanks to my channel members. Your support means the world to me. If you guys want to learn more about channel membership, there's always a link down below where you can learn more and join. I would love it if you did, but no pressure. Just by being here and watching this video is super helpful and supportive, and I appreciate it so much. I appreciate every single one of you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and if you haven't already, go enter my 11K giveaway, which should be showing up on the screen if it hasn't already. But yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye.